the bizarre shape that defied explanation.
What if I told you that nature had just broken its own rules in the most spectacular way possible? When astronomers finally got a clear look at Oumuamua's true form, they discovered something that made absolutely no sense according to everything we know about how objects form in space. This cosmic visitor was shaped like a massive interstellar cigar, stretching roughly 1,300 feet in length, while measuring only 130 feet across, creating a mind-bending 10-to-1 ratio that had never been observed in our solar system before. Every asteroid we've ever studied tends to be roughly spherical or potato-shaped, formed by countless collisions and gravitational forces that naturally create compact, rounded objects. Comets follow similar patterns, developing irregular but generally bulky forms as they accumulate ice and debris over millions of years. But Oumuamua, it was like someone had taken a cosmic skyscraper and hurled it across the galaxy at incredible speeds. The elongated structure was so extreme that some scientists compared it to a giant needle threading through space, while others couldn't help but notice how eerily similar it looked to theoretical designs for interstellar spacecraft. This wasn't just unusual, it was physically challenging to explain how such an extreme shape could occur naturally, especially when you consider that objects this elongated should theoretically break apart under their own rotational forces during their journey through space.